In this video, how to change primary payment method on PayPal. I will show you step by step how to change the primary payment method on PayPal. First, go to the PayPal website and log in using your email and password. After logging into your account, go to the top menu of the page. Click on the Wallet option. Inside the wallet, you will see all saved cards and bank accounts. Now, choose the payment method you want to set as primary. Click on the card or bank account you want to use as default. Look for the option called Set as Preferred. Click this option to make it your primary payment method. Confirm the change if confirmation is requested. PayPal will now automatically use this payment method when making payments. You can repeat this process anytime to change your preferred payment method. This helps make payments faster because your default method is selected automatically.